Okay, so today we're going to talk about the equation that I said you need to understand, which is pretty much your assets minus your liabilities must equal your equity. But let's just dive straight into it and do an example. Remember, I said your assets are everything you own, your liabilities are the things you owe, your equity is basically the capital you invested in, your life to date net income, and anything you take out of the business capital, which is your drawings or dividends. Now, let's assume you invested, let's just say you invested 300,000. Let's put 300,000, into the business as capital. What happens? Do not forget, the money gets into the bank of the business. So 300,000 is recorded in bank, and then 300,000 will be recorded as capital. Okay. Do not forget that. Then let's say, you decide to take a bank loan of 100,000. So bank loan 100,000, because that's a liability, is what you owe. I'm going to put it in brackets, which means you owe it. And sorry, 100,000. So I'm just going to put 100,000. Okay. So that's the loan. Then let's now assume that, oh, sorry, if you took a bank loan, we're recording the 100,000 as a loan. Do not forget, the money is now in the business. So it's pretty much going to increase the cash. So we put 100,000 too in your bank. Now, the next thing, let's assume you take 100,000 from your bank and you use it to buy inventory. What happens? You reduce your bank balance by 100,000 and your inventory increases by 100,000. Okay. Then the next thing, let's assume you take another 50,000 from the bank and you use it to buy a vehicle. Your cash reduces, and then we record a 50,000 for your vehicle. Now, these are all your assets. This is your liability. Let's test this equation. It says assets minus liability equals your equity. So let's go 300 plus 100, that's 400, minus 100 back to 300, minus 50, that's 250,000 total for cash, 250,000. So 250,000 plus 100,000, that's 350, plus another 50,000, that's 400,000. So a total of 400,000, right? And then assets minus liabilities. So say 400,000 minus 100,000, it gives us 300,000, right? So this side of the equation is 300,000. And what is our equity? Is also 300,000. So hopefully that makes sense. So your assets minus your liabilities must always equal your equity. Hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comment section. And do not forget that the accounting software does this for you automatically. If you grab that, you don't have to worry about this. Just understand the concept and you're good to go. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next one. Cheers.